Shut up and sit down.
Cygnus is a school with a different thought.
Cygnus is not just a group of buildings, it's an educational village.
We at Cygnus do not believe that education is only about chalk and board. Education is
The perfect balance between fun and discipline, between classrooms and playgrounds, between listening and talking, between academics and co-curricular, between deep-rooted Indian methodology and cutting-edge Western methods.
Every classroom here is a digital class.
The lessons are presented in a thematic way.
Smart boards, projectors, speakers makes learning for the children very interesting.
Which allows the children to reason, discover and explore.
Children here are not forced to learn, they love to learn.
Children look forward to, so be it show and tell, so right from collecting information about a topic to making a presentation to presenting it to an audience, there is learning, constant learning, but with fun.
Each and every day is like being part of a festival.
There's life, energy on this campus, but there is also a deep sense of peace and tranquility.
All the teachers over here really love what they are doing.
And extremely approachable.
Very loving.
They play with us. And they let me ask as many questions as I want.
We don't have to go to tuition classes because they are friendly and we can clear all the doubts with them.
જરૂર પડે તો મેડમ ખીજાય બી છે અને એટલું વાલ બી કરે છે.
If we consider children as the heartbeat of the school, then we consider parents as the pulse of the school.
the parents can walk in any time at any appointed time, flip through books, go through the campus.
PTI sessions in Cygnus are not only about report cards, are not only about complaints.
It's like a family where the teachers and the parents and the kids are in this family, small family.
ઇન્ફ્રાસ્ટ્રક્ચરની દ્રષ્ટિએ તો આ સ્કૂલ બરોડાની આઈ થિંક બેસ્ટ સ્કૂલ છે.
Right from the furniture that we use in the classrooms, the play equipments in the outdoors are all child-proof. We have the wellness center, we have the counseling centers.
This school has a great architecture. ऐसा लगता है कि वो किसी करण जौहर की मूवी के अंदर आ गए हैं.
The food over here is really delicious. Every day we have different type of food styles. Like some day we have South Indian, some day we have Chinese.
એ એમ જ કહે છે ભાઈ મારે સ્કૂલ જેવું જમવાનું જેવું બનાવે છે એવું તમે જમવાનું ઘરે બનાવો.
Co-curricular activities are an integral part of our curriculum.
Literary club activities, science club activities, inter-house competitions.
Sports has helped the children in creating a healthy mind as well as body.
We play a lot.
We don't have to go anywhere else because each and every activities are there in the school only.
Skating and karate.
AV room, ICT lab.
Music, dance and art. Many concerts.
The Cygnus children are set apart by the remaining children by their confidence level.
First, in my old school, I used to be shy to speak in front of 35 people. But now, Cygnus has given me a lot of chance to show my talent and I've built up a lot of confidence. So now I'm not even shy to speak in front of thousands of people.
Inquisitiveness has increased to a great extent. पहले दूसरे स्कूल में थी तो वहाँ पे उसको सभी जने काफी शाय कहते थे. मीन्स उसकी आवाज भी नहीं निकलती थी और हम कहीं जाते थे तो भी वो कंफर्टेबल नहीं रहती थी. लेकिन अभी तो बिल्कुल चेंज हो गया है. अभी उसको सब जने चुलबुली कहते हैं.
એકદમ લેઝી હતો એને કંઈ કરવાનો આમ ઉત્સાહ નહોતો એનામાં. જ્યાં સિગ્નસમાં આવ્યો ત્યાર પછી એકદમ એન્થુ થઈ ગયો છે.
Morning is just joyful and double the energy is like when she comes back from the school.
In a social gathering they come out very well because of this holistic experience that they get at the school.
I've really seen a lot of difference in my young daughter as she has grown into a confident girl over a period of time and has become a happy-go-lucky girl which we wanted her to be.
They are ready to take the leadership qualities.
They are relaxed and responsible.
I love Cygnus. Cygnus is exciting, interactive,
A celebration of knowledge.
Basket of opportunities.
The pride of Vadodara.
Trendsetters.
eco-friendly,
कलात्मक,
encouraging.
કઈ જેવી વસ્તુ નથી કે જે અહીંયા બાકી છે, અહીંયા બધું જ આવી ગયું છે.
The home away from home.
A complete school.